Good morning. I am Mario Cuccillito, Art Director of ColdHair. Today we are here to tell you about the world of ColdHair. Why should you choose this brand? Because we offer the hairdresser an innovative system that allows us to build the image of the client in a professional way, and above all, go to build the hair with everything we have in mind, with advanced technologies to be able to go to work on the top and on the side and on the back. So we have technologies that are optimal for the whole head. What comes into your salon and what does ColdHair give you in support, especially to build a top-level consultation, to personalize what is a client's need? Let me show you what our concept is for approaching clients. We start with the packaging that comes inside your salons. So you get the material. The hair will be stored in here with an important attachment that I will show you in a moment. How does it all work? On the back, we have all the communications that we are going to mark, and you are going to use as a reference of the type of product that is inside. Type of color, length, and technology. Plus, you will be able, in this section, to mark your customer's name, because some technologies are reusable up to 3 times. So after you have used and reused the extensions, they get regenerated and put back in their reference case, so you can always present your product in an elegant and stylish way. Now let's talk about the Adhesive Invisible. Here is its packaging. We always have the same packaging. Let's go and open it up. There is hair grafted onto a skin patch that is 3 centimeters wide, 0.4 millimeters high, and 0.01 millimeter thick. The weight is 2 grams. There are 2 possible sizes, 40 and 50 centimeters. One very interesting thing, these extensions can be used up to 3 times. There are 2 methods of application. Applying the strands as if composing a sandwich, so the invisible adhesives should be placed 1 part above and 1 part below with the client's hair in the middle. Otherwise, we can apply the product on the top, and underneath we go to insert a cap, which I will show you later. Here are our accessories. Let's talk about an important accessory, that is the brush, made specifically to go to work on the extensions. There is a double bristle, one softer, one a bit stiffer, just so you can brush from the top to the bottom. As for Adhesive Invisible, we have our spare parts. Adhesive replacement, both single and double to go to regenerate Adhesive Invisible. Now let's talk about our care line in terms of in-salon use and maintenance use at home. Let's start right away with our Purify shampoo, which is essential both when we talk about extensions and when we talk about preparation. This is the shampoo that is done on all the technologies before going to apply the extensions, because this shampoo tends to go prep the hair, the scalp, by removing all the residue that may be present on the hair. So it is essential to work with this product before going to apply the extensions. Plus, within the salon, we have Wellness Shampoo, which is a maintenance shampoo to apply after and during the extensions. Plus, we have one product that is the clear that goes to help us and goes to remove all the residue in the disassembly phase. This applies to all the technologies we have presented except keratin. It leaves no residue and absolutely respects what is the nature of the hair. Now let's talk about this white line, which is the proposal that we do for at-home maintenance. We have a shampoo, wellness, we have the Botox, which is the regenerating treatment of the hair with rinsing. That is fundamental. Following that, we have the shine, which can be used in 2 ways. On wet hair before brushing, or before using irons and hot equipment. This is the Hair Active. The Hair Active is our flagship. It is a fantastic product, and most importantly, biodegradable. Let's go open it up and see how it is used. We have the micro tips that are inserted inside, and we go and apply it precisely and perfectly, drop by drop. The characteristics of this product are provided by the biomedical world, so we talk about self-absorbing and biodegradability within 60 days. The hair active is also waterproof, so it is water-resistant and resistant to all the chemicals that are inside our facilities, so perms, shampoos, conditioners, and coloring.
Welcome to this adhesive line video tutorial. The first step is the Bio-Purify shampoo, which deeply purifies the scalp by removing excess sebum. It's important to apply it twice to ensure there are no residues when applying it to the hair. Once we have created our parting, with the tail of the comb we proceed with the tricotage parting, taking the right amount of hair, making sure not to take very voluminous sections, but a veil of hair. We now take our adhesive line and remove the protective film. We position our first line, maintaining it with the clips in order to create anchor points. We resume the separation that we have previously prepared, creating uniform anchoring. We now remove the clips that were used to support our line. Let's go and apply our hair active. Let's take the other section of our adhesive line and apply it on top, applying pressure for a correct application. Now let's see how to remove our adhesive line. We nebulize with our Bio Clear and use the swan to separate the adhesive lines and delicately remove the entire line. To reuse the adhesive lines, spray the entire band and remove the protein tape. Then wash your hair, removing any residue with Bio-Purify, and carefully reapply the protein tape. And here is our adhesive line ready for reuse. For other questions, I invite you to download the ColdHair app and contact our customer service.